Okay, so let us proceed to solve this question. So we have t is equal to k, which is our constant, a to the power x, and then a is the radius, and p, or let's say rho, which is the density, to the power y, and gamma to the power z, right? So we are supposed to create an equation out of this and know to what power each of them are raised to. So at first we need to put them in square brackets to show that we are finding their dimensions. So k is dimensionless because it's a constant, a to the power x, and then rho to the power y, and gamma to the power z. So since k is a constant, we have to take it out of the picture, and then we are going to find the dimension of t. So t is the period, and period is time, so it's going to be capital T. And then we move to a is the radius. So radius is a length, right? And it becomes capital L. We should find our rho, which is density. So density is mass over volume, right? So mass is m, volume is L cubed, so it's going to be L to the power negative 3, mass over volume, right? And then our rho is given as our, the dimension is already given in the question as mt, is the surface tension, mt negative 2. So we have to substitute, right? So the dimension of t is capital T, and then so we are removing this, right? We have the dimension of the radius as L, so it's going to be L raised to the power x multiplied by density is ml negative 3. So because it's more than one term, I need to open bracket, right? Yes, times again our surface tension, which is mt negative 2 to the power z. So we have to expand. T then will be equal to L to the power x times m to the power y, and then L to the power negative 3y times m to the power z, t to the power negative 2z. So from here we just have to collect our like terms. We take our L's together, it's going to be L to the power x minus 3y times, we take our m's together, it's going to be m to the power y plus z times, so we have t to the power negative 2z, right? So from here we need to compare, right? By comparing, so we have m and L on this side but not on this side, so you can put it as m to the power 0, which is the same as 1, and L to the power 0, which is also the same as 1, and t, right? So the power is just 1. So we could arrange these ones to m to the power y plus z times L to the power x minus 3y times t to the power negative 2z. So we have to now equate t with t so that we can get the first variable. So t to the power 1 is equal to t to the power negative 2z. This and this will cancel. So minus 2z is equal to 1. Divide both sides by minus 2. That means our z is equal to negative 1 over 2. We got z. So we can also proceed to find y from m. M to the power 0 will be equal to m to the power y plus z. This and this will cancel, so it means y plus z is equal to 0. So then y would be equal to negative z. Now the value of z is minus half, so y will be equal to minus into negative half, and that means y is just half, 1 over 2. So I need to find x, so that means L to the power 0 would be equal to L to the power x minus 3y. This and this cancels. X minus 3y now becomes 0. Then I need x, so x will be equal to 3y. Okay, so the value of y is something we got already as 1 over 2. 1 over 2. So it means x now will be equal to 3 over 2. So we got the values of x, y, and z. Now what we need to do is to rewrite this, which is t is equal to k a to the power x rho to the power y and then gamma to the power z. So we have to substitute their values. So a to the power x, we got x as 3 over 2 times rho y, which is 1 over 2, and gamma, yes, which is z as minus 1 over 2. Now a to the power 3 over 2, it means something, right? So this means the square root of a to the power 3. That is what it means. And then rho to the power half means square root of what? Rho times. So gamma to the power negative half means 1 over square root of gamma, right? So then t will be equal to k. Now root of a cube and root of the p or rho will be equal to root of a to the power 3 and then rho all over square root of gamma. So then t will be equal to, we could combine this as a to the power 3 and then multiply by rho over gamma.